If one of the earbuds on your Oppo Enco Buds 2 Pro doesn't work, we can try to open a case with both of the earbuds inside. Make sure that both of them are charged, and you can do it easily in Hey Melody app. If you connect them with your smartphone, then you can see each battery level on selected earbuds, and when they are charged and still one of them doesn't work, we can try to perform a factory reset. And to do that, you will need to insert both of them in the case, then open the case and hold your fingers on both of these circles right here. You should do it like that, and then look on the front of the case where there's a gap, which is a LED lamp, and wait until the red light appears. And when the red light appears, you can let go, wait a few moments again, and then reconnect them with your smartphone. And now both of the earbuds should work fine.